Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar and I am an Ayurvedic physician. So, in this video, we are going to know about the real cause behind hypothyroidism and its management through Ayurveda and yoga. Generally, what people think is for hypothyroidism, we need to take lifelong treatment, but that is not true. If we are willing to make some small changes in our lifestyle through simple yoga exercises, pranayama practices and healthy diet measures, hypothyroidism can very well be managed without lifelong artificial hormone replacement therapy. First thing, we need to know the real cause behind hypothyroidism. Unfortunately, neither the patients nor doctors do not have time to discuss about this. Generally, what happens is a patient is diagnosed with hypothyroidism by seeing his blood levels or the symptoms. They see that their TSH, that is the thyroid stimulating hormone levels, are above normal. So the doctor tells the patient, see, your thyroid glands are not functioning efficiently and there is a lack of thyroid hormones, and hence we have to artificially replace them. For how long? Probably lifelong. But once you understand the real cause behind hypothyroidism, then we can really come to know that there are so many measures by which it can be managed effectively. Now, coming to the real cause. Actually, there is nothing wrong in particular with the thyroid gland at all. The primary cause is actually with our immune system. That is, our immune system is supposed to act against foreign invading microorganisms and foreign bodies. But due to certain reasons, our immune system is not able to function properly and it misinterprets our thyroid gland as a foreign body and starts attacking the thyroid gland. And this is the reason why our thyroid gland is not able to function normally, and we see that the TSH levels are above normal. And hence, any treatment, the real treatment, should be aimed in preventing this attack of our immune system on the thyroid gland. Only then the true management of thyroid disorders will be in place. But unfortunately, patients don't realize this fact and they think that the problem lies just with the thyroid gland alone, and they start taking artificial thyroid hormones lifelong. And again, here what happens is that most people initially they get a good response, but after a few years what happens is their body does not respond well even to this artificial hormone therapy, and they start experiencing a lot of adverse effects or problems. These problems are partly due to the disease progression and partly due to the side effects of that artificial thyroid hormones. For example, most patients, they complain about memory problems, fatigue, irritation, hair fall, and in spite of taking artificial thyroid hormones, they see that their body weight is keeping on increasing, and then they start thinking about all other alternative measures. But if this truth is identified before itself, then it can be very well managed through Ayurveda and yoga. First thing, how to stop the attack of the immune system on the thyroid gland. The basic idea is we have to strengthen our immune system so that it is able to function normally. And please, I would like to remind every one of you who are watching this video, please don't think that this is all just one individual's hypothesis. What I am talking about is actually documented medical research data. Please, you can all just go through the internet, just type in Google hypothyroidism and also about Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Then you will find that 90% of people suffering from hypothyroidism are actually suffering from this particular autoimmune disorder called as Hashimoto's thyroiditis, where the immune system is wrongly attacking our thyroid gland. So once we stop the attack of the immune system on the thyroid gland will very well be able to function normally, and there is no need for lifelong treatment. And the best part is, preventing the attack of immune system on thyroid gland is actually very, very easy. I will just tell you the measures what we have to do. First thing, regular yoga exercises. Yoga in the sense, just 20 minutes of yoga in the morning and in the evening, empty stomach would be more than enough. To name a few asanas, that is Virabhadrasana, which is to be done in the standing posture, that is very effective. Along with that, asanas such as Sedu Bandhasana and Bhujangasana are very effective in improving the thyroid gland function and also controlling the immune attack on the thyroid glands. Second thing, from the point of diet, what we need to do is copper. That is, copper is an excellent medicine which can improve the functioning of thyroid gland and at the same time strengthen the immune system and help it function normally. And now, how to take copper? Pretty easy. It's not that we have to eat copper, just use drinking water stored in a copper vessel. These days you get copper jugs and copper bottles are available. So drinking water can be poured in that copper vessel and kept it overnight, and next day that water can be used for drinking. This is an excellent remedy for hypothyroidism. Another point from the point of diet is that we can take fresh fruits and vegetables weekly twice. Say for example Wednesdays and Sundays, like that. From morning till night, only raw fruits and vegetables, no matter how much you want to take. As much as you feel hungry, you can take it. And sometimes it happens that you will feel hungry quite sooner than normal food when you are taking raw fruits and vegetables. Not a problem. Even 2 hours once you can take raw fruits and vegetables. You can also take them in the form of juices, but in case of juices, please do not add sugar, ice and salt. If you want, you can add natural flavors such as palm jaggery, pepper or lime can be added for flavor. This can be followed. And with this, when you take, there are a lot of Ayurvedic medications which help in improving the thyroid gland function and also strengthening the immune system so that it does not misinterpret the thyroid gland as a foreign body and the immune system begins to function normally. We have seen so many patients who follow these methods with Ayurvedic medications. We get excellent results within a period of 3 to 6 months. And if it is being followed properly, there is no need for lifelong treatment of artificial hormones in this regard of hypothyroidism. In case you require any further information, you are always welcome to contact Dr. Ashok's Ayurveda for further informations, and we will be glad to help you. Thank you. Welcome.